Hello, my loved ones in the house. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my beautiful one in the house. Depend on where you are today. Whenever you see all weather, meaning there's good news for you, there's information, there's advice, and things that are very, very important. I just want to quickly share this update with all my beautiful one in the house. One of my previous video I did before, I said it that the leaders is like, children, do as I do, don't worry. The law they said that they apply, it was on the 15th of January to on the 15th of February. Now they have changed it. They know that now the color, the zone, it has become yellow, not longer arancione. Now it's not orange, it's now yellow. Starting from on Monday. Some days ago, they said it was on Sunday, starting from on Sunday, but they just still change it. Fabena is not a problem. We are here. We are waiting for the good news, not this yellow, not this red or arancione. So, starting from on the 1st of February, till further notice. Now we don't know. Let's hope that what me I'm waiting for is just to hear the white, not even the yellow. But yellow is still better than the arancione. It's still better than the orange and red. So let's hope that very soon we will hear the good news, which is the white. We want to hear the white, not yellow. So my people, you can move from your city to the next city. You can do anything you want to do. Maybe you want to travel, you are going to work, you are going to see a friend, you can do that. But remember one thing, always be with your face mask. Very, very important. Then, it's only four city that is still arancione, that is still orange. It's just four city and one province. The city are Puglia, Sardinia, Sicilia, then Ubra, a provincia di Buzano. That is the province. Okay, these are the city. These are the city that is still orange. But other cities, they said, is yellow now. We praise God for that. My people, if there is any other law, if they change the law, I will also come here to come and share it with all my loved ones. And another thing, for the bar and restaurant, you can go to bar and restaurant till 6 o'clock in the evening. You can enter bar, you can sit, you can buy things, you can eat. If you want to eat there, you can eat, you can drink. Then you go back home when it is 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock, it's only a spot that is accepted. It's only a takeaway. Only takeaway that is accepted. So you can't go there as from 6 o'clock and start eating or drinking. For now, we don't know when it's going to end. So there is no deadline, there is no date. But the law starting from on the 1st of February. Quello che sto dicendo in inglese, a chi guarda il mio video che non parla inglese, che non capiscono inglese, sto dicendo questa legge che comincerà da lunedì fino non lo so, così tu puoi andare, se tu vai a trovare amici al supermercato come prima, tu puoi andare, è solo che bar e ristorante tu non puoi bucare, non puoi entrare a mangiare, a bere dentro bar dopo alle 18. È questo che sto dicendo. Il zona diventa giallo adesso, non è arancione. Da lunedì, sto dicendo, da 1 febbraio diventa giallo. È quello che sto dicendo con inglese. Back to my country people, please guys, anytime you are going out, make sure you are with your face mask for you not to have problem with the states. Let me leave you guys. If today is your first time of seeing my video, don't fail to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify, to share, and to like. And if you like my video, don't fail to give me thumbs up just for encouragement. This platform is not only, you see the way I classify it, for information, for advice, for everything. That is why it's called all weather. Let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. I love you.